In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an SMS on Omnisend. This is a great skill to have, especially if you want to keep your marketing efforts organized and effective without having to manually send messages at the right moment. So, let's get started and walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Omnisend and hit Enter. You should see the official Omnisend website as one of the top results. Go ahead and click on that link to visit their website. Once the page loads, you will need to log in to your Omnisend account. You should see a login button prominently displayed on the site. Click on it, and then enter your specific login credentials, your email address and password, to access your account. If you're new to Omnisend, you'll need to register first, but for today's tutorial, we'll assume you already have an account ready to go. After logging in, you'll be directed to your main dashboard. Look for the Campaigns section. This is where all the magic happens. Click on Campaigns, and you'll then see an option to create a new campaign. Select that to proceed with creating your SMS campaign. Next, you'll be presented with different types of campaigns you can create. For today's task, we want to select SMS campaign from the options available. After selecting the SMS campaign, you'll find a button labeled Create SMS. Go ahead and click on that to start building your SMS message. Now, it's time to get creative and strategic. First, you'll need to set a name for your campaign. This will help keep everything organized, especially if you regularly run different campaigns. Once your campaign name is set, focus on crafting the actual message you want to send. Keep your message concise yet engaging, as SMS messages have limited characters. Then, make sure to select the audience that will receive this message. Fine-tune your target group based on demographics or previous interactions for optimal results. Before you proceed to send your message out into the world, Omnisend allows you to schedule it for a specific date and time. This scheduling feature is incredibly useful, enabling you to strategize and time your messages to reach your audience when they're most likely to engage with them. Select your preferred date and time carefully. Think about time zones and the daily habits of your audience. And there you go. Once you've input all the details and double-checked that everything is in order, you can relax knowing that Omnisend will handle the rest automatically. With your SMS scheduled, you're free to focus on other tasks, trusting that your campaign will roll out just as you planned. Congratulations, you've just mastered scheduling an SMS on Omnisend.